Hi folks, look, listen to this. That is the sound of Pups graduating to puppy chow today. Look at that. They're loving it. Holy mackerel, look at that. I soaked it in water and let it get really soft so their tiny little needle teeth can chew it up. But oh my goodness. Look at this little piggy over here, standing in the bowl. Come on. Out you go. Go like this. This is how you do it. This is actually a litter feeding bowl. And it helps all the pups to be able to get their place and eat. They're not supposed to stand in it, but they'll learn. They're getting the idea for being their first time, wouldn't you say? My goodness. You know what's going to happen now that they're eating this much? They are going to grow really, really fast. And it's good for Shelby, too, to have a chance to have some of the nutritional needs taken off of her because they're taking a lot of energy out of her. So now it's time to move on. Which means I'm going to start paper training. And actually, if you follow me in the pen over here, I'm ready. And I'll start training them and taking each one of them to the paper and waiting for them to do their business. And actually, German Shepherds, they're highly intelligent. They should pick up on it rather quickly, like all of our pups in the past have. There it is, folks. Big day, graduating to big puppy food. I was afraid I made too much, but now it looks like, you know, they're going to eat it all. Wow. No time for conversation. They're too busy eating. Come on, little fella. Let me get you over here. Sorry. There you go. Amazing. Wow. Well, that's it. My news of the day. Pups are 22 days old and eating really, really well. I'll talk to you soon, friends.